Supremacy has been reckoned as intensities from the participating cheer squads have roared the crowd of Robinson's Place, Pangasinan during the first ever cheerleading competition in the province last September 22. This competition is organized by Proptimum Ventures, a promotional marketing group. 7 hopefuls gathered at the blue mats while chanting their mantras and gilded with their show-stopping uniforms. This showed how genuinely they want to win the competition, as winners from both high school and college category go straight to fight to the prestigious event of the cheer calendar, the National Cheerleading Championship. From beginners to those who look at the sports a long-cherished dream, the feat was surely an experience regardless of win or loss. They exhibited their flair in the cheerleading arena, and yes, they were unstoppable amidst falls and routine flops. They glimmered in smiles and energetic yells, which made the crowd spirited and more excited. With countdown and a jump, let us reflect on the moments that made the atrium at Robinson's sit up and take notice. A surprising bubble in the back left in basket was forgiven, but the Urdaneta City National High School team followed out with a dance with a lot of mixed-level synchronized moves to techno song With a Beat Now. With elite tumble passes that swept the blonde hair of the 1G Macareg National High School teammates, pleased to add choreographic intrigue, the team offered full after full in near-perfect sync and a group standing toe touch full. Setting the floor a twinkle with their electric mink costume, the Bud National High School opened strong with tumbles and some high-flying baskets. There was an evident bobble on the right where one flyer didn't make the stretches, but she pulled it back for the next sequence, which offered us a heel-to-heel tick-tock amongst other transitional skills. The University of Pangasinan's pyramid began strongly, but one of the vaulting flips fell on its way over losing some of the effect. They recovered for the next pattern and completed the sequence. The dance was stylish and sassy, moving quickly across the floor. With strong formation, Pangasinan State University Urdaneta opened tightly. The team hit a triple up which broke out into mid-air arabesque and into double flick finish with a full. The Gupan College's foundation wore simple yet sparkling white with sublimated blue uniform. They had a bubble at the end of pyramid and in the libs, but dance ended things with strong and dynamic shapes punctuated with baskets. And the STI College Dagupan may have nosedived several times during their pyramid, but they surely enjoyed the routine that ended with loud growls. After a long wait, the winners were identified. Romuel Macapuno, coach of the Bud National High School, believed that apart from his team's powerful presentation, it was their determination that steered the breakthrough victory with a 30-point lead from the runner-up.
First time lang ng mga bata na maki-join sa ganitong kind of event. Tapos yung preparation na gagawin namin sa March 14, mas lalo pa namin i-improve yung skills and technique. Tapos mas paghahandaan namin para po mas maganda yung kalabasan ng mag-represent ng Pangasinan.
Bud was also named Best in Costume, Best in Pyramid, and Team Popular of the Season. Pangasinan State University Urdaneta was hailed the winner in the college category with 243 points, foiling other 3 contenders. Renato De Vera, coach of the university cheerleading team, wasn't expecting to win due to his team's inexperience and lack of practice.
In behalf ng members namin is masaya today.
Thankful kami kay God kasi binigyan kami niya ng lakas na para magawa po namin lahat ng mga stunt.
The first ever cheerleading competition in Pangasinan has been a success, with teams of youth breaking the barriers of fun can and should be done in amazing sports. With more and more nationwide participation and high placement, we can't wait for what the NCC 2014 has in store.
On October 20, they need to perform on Clark, Pampanga for the qualifiers ng Central Luzon. Then after that, continuous training na hanggang sa March 2014 in preparation for the national finals.
Talk TV Global, being one of the official media partners of the event, was also present to congratulate the participants and organizers. Louis de la Vega, Pangasinan Watch.